Can you get me a glass of water, please? Hi, we are live now. Welcome. I am Jia Bhatia, the owner, founder, and designer for your one-stop jewelry shop, Yuvan Jewels. Thank you for taking the time out to be with me this afternoon, as I have something really special lined up for you. I'm not just showing you individual pieces today. A lot of Hi Kashi, a lot of you reach out to us asking us to style your pieces, style your outfits. Today is going to be one of those sessions where I teach you how you cannot just, utilize that piece just on its own. It's perfect, but also you can layer them up and create such interesting, hi Archie, you can create such interesting looks that you're going to flip the kind of wearability that you get out of them. Again, to start with something very basic. Hi Heta, hi everyone. आज का टाइम थोड़ा सा यूटिलाइज करते हैं so that I can focus on the pieces because I have a lot of styling things for you. You would love to see how a simple choker, how beautiful layering works so fantastically for your appeal. The entire piece changes the game of your outfit and it looks so pretty. So I'm wearing a plain white suit, simple suit today, and I'm starting with this choker. Now when I say a beauty, show me the choker first. I'll show you the details of this choker. It comes with this beautiful, gorgeous detailing in meenakari. You can see how the raw stone sits so beautifully, and there's this which is like so, and there's this gorgeous चिड़ी जो बोलते हैं, जिसको चिड़ी की माला बोलते हैं, वो चिड़ी की माला पीछे दी हुई है. And I am flipping off the earrings as well for this piece. If you see how cute and minimal they are, I have my heart set on them. Like I can wear them with anything, just the earring itself, and it's so pretty. You can see how cute this looks. So this is a choker. It comes in various colors, but to style this, I would do a beautiful neck piece, which is a very contrasting stone. Kashi, I will just show you the pieces and I'll start sharing the prices. How's the choker price? 6,400 with the earrings. Now, if I were to layer this up, I would do something like this. Can you see the depth of this gorgeous raw stone? And I would do the tassel that will add just... Today I'm wearing something that has embroidery. Usually I don't. But if you see the entire look, yeah. See? I mean, आप minimal pieces को layer करके इतना interesting look create कर सकते हो that it will just take your entire outfit, entire look to another level. This neck piece, the one that I'm wearing, which I showed you a closer look, has got this beautiful multiple tassel detailing. I'll show you the earrings first, please. This is the earrings. Thank you. Wow. Yes, it's wow indeed. So look at the detailing on the earring. It's so modern and yet so Indian and delicate in its appeal. That's the whole look. So आज मैं आपको बहुत सारे pieces layer करके दिखा रही हूँ. So I will quickly move and I'll show you all the colors and everything else. This neck piece that I'm wearing has some gorgeous colors. You can go in for this. This is like a burnt orange color. If I was wearing a deep aubergine or I was wearing a yellow, I would do that. This is a very nice violet, beautiful violet color. So this, everything comes with the earring. The earrings are a part of the set. All of the pictures, all of the, the color palette can be seen after the live. You can ask me and we can share the pictures. मैं आपको quickly chokers दिखा देती हूँ. This is what I showed you. We have a green. We have a very beautiful deep red. The one that I'm wearing, it's a gorgeous minimal choker. I love this. I really like this. It's so minimal. It's got this detailing which is absolutely fantastic. And I love the chidi mala. So this is something that creates a very beautiful lightness in the piece. There's no appeal that, I will not be able to use it every now and then. This is one of those pieces that you're going to get a beautiful wearability out of. And you can layer them, you can wear them individually however you like, and they look fantastic. The next thing that I have for you today is, no, let's do the earring and ring. I'll show you a beautiful stud and a ring combination. So I am in love. The long pendant price. How's the long pendant price?
5,900.
That's 5,900. Up screenshot kar lo. Whatever color you like, whatever pictures you want to see after the live. Can you help me get the pieces out? We will help you with this. So this is again something very cute. I'm wearing this ring. Can you see the combination and can you see the color? It's so simple and so classy that it's something that's so going to create a statement in such a minimal form. The studs has, of course, a back clasp, and the combination of the stud and the ring is so fantastic. Now you can see कि अगर jewelry beautifully designed हो तो अगर वो minimal भी होती है तो वो outfits में किस तरीके से एक, you don't want to do heavier pieces all the time, but at the same time you don't want to do something that looks like again the same pole key stud and the same. No, add colors. If you are wearing something which has the option to do colorful studs, do something like this. That's a very beautiful way to add contrast to your existing wardrobe without breaking the bank. This one is a beautiful bottle green color. I have very fresh mint and pink. All these studs are available now. And look at the best part of the stud is कि ये कोई भी face cuts के साथ workout करेंगे, because this is a square stud. Usually, if you're doing a round, or if it could be big or bold, it may or may not suit all face shapes. This works well with every face shape. So if you do not have something where you want to invest, and I love the rings, it's so pretty. It's see, it's not too big. It creates a very nice statement. It gives very polished look, and at the same time these are like a perfect combination to invest in. So this is something that will work really well. I promised you that I'm going to show you a lot of pieces today which work beautifully individually as well, and also very pretty as a combination. You do not have to apply your brain onto ये किस तरीके से पहनूं, किसके साथ पहनूं. Let me apply that brain for you and give you options. The next one that I have to show you is a gorgeous handcrafted choker. I am in love with the bird detail. I'm taking it closer so you can see how cute and how minimal this choker is. If I can show you, I think it's so Indian and so pretty and so classy in its appeal that it's just stupendous. It's just stupendous. And I don't think I need an occasion to wear pieces like this. Like, I can see myself wearing a piece like this with a plain cotton dress, and I think it will look so pretty. So this is a choker. It comes with earrings which are like this. Can you see the details? They're so cute. The details are to die for. I love the details. And if I were to pair this up with something, price of the beautiful choker, please. How are you, Prajakta? How are you doing?
5,400.
That's 5,400. I would do, a balance of this beauty, this minimalism with the boldness and, appeal of this longer piece. This is how I would layer it. I'll just show it to you how it works. This is a piece which is very dear to me. We've done a lot of these earlier, and I think longer pieces ना बड़े underestimated होते हैं. मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप like if you're going for an elegant appeal, if you're going to create a look where you want very classic, very feminine look, please invest in longer pieces. They add such beautiful definition to the entire face. और वो इतने graceful लगते हैं. Just screenshot whatever you're liking. I'll send you the details, the colors, everything else right after the live. I love this color palette. It's so cute. This could be like a perfect addition to any outfit. Like, I'm wearing a white. Imagine this. Hello, how are you doing? this with a simple outfit, and वो बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. Everything that you're liking, the colors, the prices, thank you so much. It's beautiful, thank you so much. I would do this as well. This is also longer pieces go beautiful on especially on sarees. I agree. ये इतने graceful होते हैं ना. और स्पेशली अगर आप you're not doing big malas and chunky pieces and you're doing something which is just one statement, I think it's a very underrated thing. You should invest in those pieces, especially if you're someone like me who does a lot of cotton, who does a lot of sari, and you are into Indian wear, then get yourself a gorgeous longer piece. This is also a beautiful color. I'm just holding it. You have a golden voice. Thank you, Khushbu ji. I think आप लोग इतना प्यार देते हैं, इतनी इज्जत देते हैं. I want to gift something to my wife. Please suggest. Please come over to the studio or reach out to us over DMs. I'll help you pick up the perfect thing that I think she would love, and she'll be so impressed with you that you took the time and effort to create a special gift for Valentine's. So let me help you there. Let us find the perfect piece that she would like. This also comes with earrings. And these are the combinations. I'm loving the colors. See how minimal this choker is, and however, in spite of the fact that it's so minimal, it creates such a gorgeous impression. So that was the choker and the longer piece. I have colors in the longer pieces as well. There are beautiful colors. Do you have earrings with that as well? You haven't removed it. Okay, take care. So this is the color palette of the longer piece. Again, if you do not have a gorgeous longer, please write it down. You have to get one. This is simple, elegant, minimal, and looks very, I love this color. I'm loving this color. Look at it. It's so versatile and so beautifully made. I would do, thank you for all the hearts. I would do this if I was not doing it with a longer piece. I would do beautiful Navratna bangles like this. I love the sound. Please show the choker, the earrings with the choker. मैंने जो पहना है, I'm wearing a white. मैं आपको उसी का earring दिखा रही हूँ. This is how the earring looks. It's not just a earring. It's a piece of art. It's so classy, and I think I would do them with plain shirts. I would do them with everything and anything. I will wear it and show it to you how it sits. Can you take the bangles from my hand, please? Thank you. And this is how it sits. It's simple, very lightweight. It comes with a lifetime warranty. हर piece आप 3 साल के बाद repolish करा सकते हो. उस दिन का जो gold का rate होता है, उसके हिसाब से वजन से हम ये पीसेस रीपॉलिश कर देते हैं. नो, इट डज नॉट नीड अ क्लिप. अगर मैं इसमें क्लिप डालूंगी तो इसमें कुछ वजन है ही नहीं, वो ड्रूप हो जाएगा. राइट नाउ कैन यू सी हाउ ब्यूटिफुली इट्स सिटिंग. इट डज नॉट नीड अ क्लिप. इट्स फेदर लाइट, खुशबू. इट्स फेदर लाइट. लुक एट द होल लुक. It is such a versatile combination. You can wear it with your saris. I'm wearing it with a suit, and it looks so pretty. So don't miss this. If you're planning to have this with, and the best part, ये combination आप किस भी color के साथ पहन सकते हो. You're not restricted. This combination will work with any color, any occasion, day wear, night wear. It's a versatile piece to have. So get it while it's still in stock. I will share the details with you, the pictures and everything else right after the live. The next one, I have a beautiful jhumki to show you. Thank you for all the hearts. I'm so grateful, and I'm so appreciative of all the love that you show to me and the brand. Now the next one that I have to show you is my favorite. I think out of everything that मैं आज आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ, ये मेरा सबसे पसंदीदा पीस है. ये इतनी सुंदर बर्ड मोटिव वाली झुमकियाँ हैं कि मुझे ये इतनी प्यारी लग रही हैं, इतनी प्यारी दैट आई थिंक आज शाम को अगर मैं ये सूट पहन के कहीं जा रही हूँ तो मैं तो डेफिनेटली ये झुमकी ही पहनूंगी. कैन यू रिमूव दिस, द नेक पीस. लुक एट द डिटेलिंग. इट्स गॉट अ बर्ड मोटिव. इट्स अ फेदर लाइट पीस, एंड झुमकी इज विद कांचेन. वो बन जाएगा अगर आपको वो. वीव डन 2 Khan chains so far. You can take a Khan chain which is just the Khan chain like this, or the Kashmiri one. Do you have it ready? Can you show it to me? Okay. So this is a Khan chain के साथ और without a beautiful झुमकी. इसके साथ we have a beautiful ring. Now I'm just wearing the झुमकी and you tell me, give me a perspective that how underrated and how beautiful is Indian jewelry. Now see the delicate look that it can bring to any attire. एक सिंपल वाइट कुर्ते के साथ कितने एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किए जा सकते हैं विद ज्वेलरी. कैन यू गिव मी अ रिंग फॉर दिस? सो ये आप यू कैन गो फॉर ईदर समथिंग लाइक दिस, और यू कैन डू अ सिंपल गोल्ड चेन विथ घुंघरू. ये भी बड़ी प्यारी लगती हैं. तो आप पीछे ये कान चेन अटैच करके यहाँ से यू कुड डू समथिंग लाइक दिस, like a very Kashmiri look. Let's see how it looks. Price of the earrings that you're wearing. Anushri, give me 1 minute. I'll show you everything. Do you have the ring? Sorry?
3900 for the earring.
Okay, first give me the ring. Okay. So this is the ring. ये मैंने white पहना है. मैं आपको अभी सिर्फ उसके लिए दिखा रही हूँ, रेफरेंस के लिए, कि इस तरीके से आप इसको एज अ कॉम्बिनेशन पहन सकते. कितनी क्यूट है. आई मीन कितनी क्यूट है ये. आई वेयर द पर्पल इयररिंग एंड आई शो यू हाउ इट लुक्स. इट इज सो क्यूट. लुक एट द कलर पैलेट. if you do not have a bird motif or a motif झुमकी, you do not know ladies what you're missing. इतनी खूबसूरत लगती हैं ये पहनने के बाद. और द बेस्ट पार्ट, मेरे पास हमेशा ऐसे होता है कि जब इस तरीके का मिनिमल इयररिंग पहन के मैं कहीं भी जाती हूँ तो मुझे हमेशा रिक्वेस्ट आती है कि कहाँ से आपने सॉस की है, आपने कहाँ से बनाई है. और मैं बड़ी प्राउडली कहती हूँ ये मैंने खुद बनाई है. ये इसी तरीके से सारा अटेंशन खींचती हैं क्योंकि वो इतनी क्यूट और डेलिकेट है. तो इफ़ यू डू नॉट हैव अ बर्ड मोटिव झुमकी, प्लीज़ आप आज के लाइव में से अगर आज कुछ उठाना चाहते हो तो एक तो ये पैर आपको ज़रूर 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 लेना चाहिए. द रिंग फॉर द वाइट वन इज़ लाइक दिस. ये भी बड़ा सुंदर है. आई एम शोइंग यू कलर्स ऑफ द रिंग्स. इट इज़ सच अ ब्यूटिफुल स्टेटमेंट पीस. गेट योर सेल्फ वन. Ratagi, how is this price, Kajal?
Earring 2900.
The earring is for 2,900 and the ring is for 1,600. I would suggest कि प्लीज़ आप इसे ऐसे ना लें. Like अगर आप ले रहे हैं 2,900 for the earring and 1,600 for the ring, please get yourself this combination. आप मुझे ना दुआएं देंगे, आप मुझे याद रखेंगे कि कितनी सुंदर तरीके से मैं आपको ये रेकमेंड कर रही थी कि ये कितना प्यारा कॉम्बिनेशन है. तो गो फॉर अ कॉम्बिनेशन. आप इंडिविजुअली चाहें तो ले सकते हैं, बट मैं रेकमेंड करूँगी कि आप इसे विद द रिंग लें ताकि आपका एक पूरा सेट कंप्लीट हो और आप जब पहने तो आपको वो फीलिंग आए कि यार मैंने कुछ अलग पहना है. तो ये आप मिस ना करें. डेफिनेटली ज्वाइन नाउ. मैडम ज्वाइन नाउ. कैन यू शो ऑल द कलर्स? मैं ये लाइव सेव कर दूंगी. डोंट वरी शांतला. आप आराम से जाके यू कैन गो एंड चेक आउट ऑल द कलर्स. इन केस यू वॉन्ट मी टू सेंड यू द पिक्चर्स पहने हुए तो आप मुझे लाइव के बाद DM कर दो. कैन यू मैच अ लाइट नेकलेस विद दिस? इंस्टेंटली आई हैव अ पीस. शो मी द चोकर. यस. मैंने कौन सा पहना है? पर्पल, राइट? आई वुड डू दिस. गिव इट टू मी. मैं इमीडिएटली कांचेन की प्राइस ऑफ द कांचेन इज नॉट सोल्ड सेपरेटली. अगर आपने चाहिए तो डोंट वरी, जस्ट सेंड इट टू अस. विल मेक इट फॉर यू. आपके कोई भी इयररिंग के साथ विल सेंड इट टू यू. सो वी नॉट सेलिंग देम सेपरेटली एज सच. लुक एट दिस. नाउ यू आस्क्ड मी फॉर अ डेलिकेट नेकलेस. इंस्टेंटली, लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, आज मैं आपको सिर्फ पीसेस नहीं दिखाने वाली हूँ. आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ कि हाउ अगर आपके पीसेस बहुत सुंदर तरीके से डिजाइन होंगे, आप मल्टीपल तरीके से पहनो यार. क्यों वो पीसेस कबर्ड में रखे हुए हैं? क्यों हमें एक ही बार एक ही स्टाइल से पहनने? आप इतने पैसे इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, आप अच्छी ज्वेलरी ले रहे हो. दिस इज हाइपोअलर्जिक, दिस इज गोल्ड प्लेटेड, दिस इज कमिंग विथ लाइफ टाइम वारंटी. प्लीज wear it how many ever times you want. And गेट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स, एंड व्हेन यू गेट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स प्लीज एक मैसेज जिया को डाल दीजिएगा कि आपको याद है कि ये रिकमेंडेशन मेरी तरफ से आई थी. द नेक्स्ट वन दैट आई हैव फॉर यू इज अगेन अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ अ स्टड. अच्छा लग रहा है ना खुशबू? इट्स लवली, इजंट इट? द नेक्स्ट वन दैट आई हैव फॉर यू वो भी एक इयरिंग और रिंग का कॉम्बिनेशन है. अगेन वेरी वेरी खूबसूरत. जो ये ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप चीज़ें होती है ना, ये मुझे बड़ी पसंद है. कैन यू रिमूव द चोकर फ्रॉम मी? Can you see how cute? What color are you wearing, ma'am? I'll show you. मैंने अभी चोकर पहना था which was purple and mint green. And there are a lot of colors. I will click a picture. मैं ये लाइव के बाद पहन के ढंग का फोटो निकाल लेती हूँ for you. And then you can quickly reach out to me. I'll send you the pictures and you can decide which one works for you. ये मुझे बड़े cute लगता है. ये जो geometrical shape चीज़ें हैं ना, see how cute this is. इतना delicate earring. Which earring was I wearing? इससे पहले काले वाला कौन सा पहना था मैंने?
इसके पहले
I think मैंने purple पहना था. I will just go through and live save होगा. I will send you all the pictures. Don't worry about that. This comes with a ring, which is also a geometrical ring. This is very pretty. Can you see the bird detail on this? It's simple. It's very classy. And it's so minimal that I would do. हमारे घर में आज पूजा है kind of look, and I just want to wear this to office. I'm wearing Indian today. I don't want to do too much jewelry, but I still want to wear one statement piece. ये exactly वो वाली earring है. How many ever times you're going to wear it, people are going to come and ask. ये बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही है, and ये actually बहुत pretty है. So this is one of those geometric shaped earrings and ring which I personally love. Kushbu, this is priced at
2800 for the earring.
this is 2800 for the earrings. I'll show you all the colors, and the ring is sold separately. I'll show you all the colors. Just oh, this is so pyaru, this is so cute, this is also very pretty. I think if you are looking to wear something over your plain kurtas for summers, I think it's to die for. ये proper summer pieces हैं, not your heavy jewelry, but oh my god, look at this color. हाँ, मैं बाद में देखूंगी. मैं खुद ही देख देख के खुश होती रहती हूँ. आई हैव बीन टोल्ड कि आप स्टक हो जाते हो, तो मैं बाद में देखती हूँ. अभी ओ दिस इज ऑल्सो अ ब्यूटिफुल कलर. आई कुड डू दिस ओवर द वाइट कुर्ता. इट्स so classy. So all the colors. और ये पीछे एक क्लिप है इसके साथ, तो द फिटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग इज वेरी सिंपल. कहीं कुछ लूप ये वो, that's not needed. The previous one available right away if I'll pay. Yes, of course, abhi you can pay right after the live. I have pieces in that, so you can place the order right after the live. Just reach out to us and we'll help you place the order. अब एक और चीज़ जो आज मेरे दिमाग में थी, एक बहुत सुंदर सा नेकलेस जो हमने ऑलिव नेकलेस किया था, विच वेंट वायरल. बड़ी गंदे से उसकी काफ़ी सारी घटिया कॉपीज़ बनी थी, बट द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस पीस इज़ आउटस्टैंडिंग. आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू what I would do today if I were to pair olive with something. अब ये ऑलिव जो है ये बड़ा सुंदर पोल की चोकर. लुक एट दिस. द प्रीवियस वन हैज क्लिप टू जस्ट यस इट हैज. नाउ लुक एट दिस. मैं स्पीचलेस हूँ बिकॉज ये काफ़ी खूबसूरत है और ये किसी भी कलर किसी भी आउटफिट के साथ ब्यूटिफुली मैच कर जाएगा. बट सिंस टुडे इज नॉट द फोकस इज नॉट just pieces, I'm showing you the longer pieces that might work well with olive too. It's again a very pretty detail, like the lightness of this piece is spellbounding. I would do this piece with olive and it'll look stupendous. Wait, can you put it in the last one please? I think here I would do something like this. It is again a longer piece. It is minimal. और again जो हम बात कर रहे थे कि longer pieces का charm इतना खूबसूरत और underrated है. दैट आप उनका कंपैरिजन नहीं कर सकते. वो एक सर्टन एलिगेंस ले आते हैं पूरे लुक में. जो ये शॉर्टर पीसेस और चोकर्स लुक फंकी. This one is so beautiful. Wow, I agree. I am loving this thing. Can you see? Like if you were to attend a wedding now, as the weather is changing, imagine wearing something like this. I think ये hands down real pieces को beat कर सकता है. It is so well made. I'm going to show you the earrings. You'll flip how pretty the earrings are. This is how. मैं यूजुअली पहनती नहीं. अगर मैं लेयरिंग कर रही हूँ तो आई वुड जस्ट डू अ सिंपल सॉलिटेयर टू बैलेंस द होल लुक. बट हियर इज द लुक. इन केस आई वुड वांट टू लेयर दिस पीस, आई वुड डू दिस. एंड द पीस दैट इज देयर, जो मैंने लेयर किया है, उसकी जो मीनाकारी की डिटेल्स है वो बहुत 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 खूबसूरत है. आई विल शो यू हाउ इट लुक्स. आई विल शो यू ऑल द कलर्स. सी, कैन यू सी? लाइक किसी के फेरे वेरे हो रहे हैं तो बुला लो यार, मैं रेडी हूँ पूरी. मैं आ सकती हूँ, लिफाफा लेके आ जाऊंगी, कोई मानना नहीं है, यू नो. सो या, लुक एट दिस. आई एम गोइंग टू क्विकली शो यू ऑल द कलर्स. द रेड इज सो प्रिटी. आई लव दिस. दिस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल emerald green with beige and white, and I love this. This is purple and pink. It's like a match made in heaven. Such a statement piece. You can wear it literally over a black plain dress, a black plain kaftan, or black plain one suit, and it would look so gorgeous. Again, everything comes with earrings. This is also a multicolored piece. कितना ही खूबसूरत है. अगर आप इमेजिन करो ये आपने एक रेड कलर के साड़ी के साथ पहना हुआ, मतलब it's something. Then I have a few kadas and bangles to show you. मैं तो ये आज उतारने नहीं वाली. मैं आज ऐसे घूमूंगी. अगर हाँ, शी स्टिल टेम्पटिंग मी. शी इज टेलिंग मी एक और पहन लो. पहले मैं आपको ये कड़े दिखाती हूँ. अगेन रॉ स्टोन. डिटेलिंग इज फैंटास्टिक. बिल्कुल रियल की अपील है. ओपनेबल है, साइजेस अवेलेबल है, और ये इतने खूबसूरत लगते हैं ना. अगर आप ये कड़ा ले रहे हैं तो मेरे को जस्ट शो मी श्वे बैंगल्स यू हैव रेडी. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ अगर मैं ये पहन रही होती तो मैं किस तरीके से पहन रही होती. मैं इसे एक कॉम्बिनेशन बना के भी पहनती, एंड आई वुड मेक अ ब्यूटिफुल स्टैक आउट ऑफ दिस. कैन यू सी हाउ प्रिटी दीज कड़ाज आर? They are so pretty, and the best part about them is, can you see the pearl detailing on the borders? It's minimal, it's classy, and it's elegant. I would wear this around this and imagine the combination. It is so versatile. है इतने delicate pieces but इतने सुंदर लग सकते हैं. See the combination. This is how it would look. I would do a layering. I would do a stack like so. And I don't know, we've lost the number of count of the bangles that we've sold. ये श्वे bangles जो हैं, इनके colors available हैं और इतने खूबसूरत हैं. आप अपनी गोल्ड की चूड़ियों के साथ पहनिए, आप अपने गोल्ड के वो कांच की चूड़ियों के साथ पहनिए. ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. Now there's one more neck piece that I need to show you. And this piece is something that I think every woman should have in their jewelry box. आपको अगर एक पीस ऐसा लेना हो जो आपको लगे कि वो हर जगह हर बार मुझे काम आने वाला है, और वो इतना मिनिमल होगा कि वो इस तरीके से यूज़ करूँगी मैं कि आई विल गेट अ हिंट ऑफ a Rajwadi sophistication, then please invest in a gorgeous Navratna. Look at this piece. This can be worn lower. आप इसे नेक पीस की तरह पहन सकते हैं. Given the earrings, आप इसे चोकर की तरह पहन सकते हैं. This is a Navratna multiple layered. बीच में अनकट पोल्की की डिटेल्स है. I'm sorry. And this comes with gorgeous minimal earrings like so. I love the fact that ये कि इतना मिनिमल होने के बाद भी कोई पीसेस होते हैं जिनमें इतनी खूबसूरती और एलिगेंस होती है ना कि आप इसे किसी के साथ भी पहनो और वो इतना प्यारा लगता है. तो विद दैट बीइंग सेड, I think you should invest in a Navratna क्योंकि that is just going to give you so much elegance. The last thing that you should see is अगर मैं ये नवरत्ना पहन रही होती तो I would have paired this with this kara. Can you see how cute is the finish? I love the colors. I love the combination. मैंने आज आपको पूरे लाइव में ना ही सिर्फ इंडिविजुअल पीसेस दिखाए हैं बट ऑल्सो कि मैं अगर पर्सनली आपको रेकमेंड करती तो मैं किस तरीके से आपको बताती कि आप कैसे पहन सकते हो और किन चीज़ों के साथ पहन सकते हो. ये कड़े हर साइज़ में अवेलेबल हैं. These are standard sizes, so you will not have a problem. And this is how it looks. Can you see the combination of both of them? So minimal, so classy. और आप मुझे मतलब सोच के बताओ कि अगर आपने कोई भी कलर पहना हुआ है, मैंने वाइट पहना है तो ऑब्वियसली ये खिल के आ रहे हैं सारे कलर्स. फिर अगर आपने पिंक पहना होता, येलो पहना होता, बॉटल ग्रीन पहना होता, ये पीस वो पीस है जो वो हर एक चीज़ के साथ ब्लेंड हो जाएगा और इतना मिनिमल और इतना खूबसूरत लगेगा. एंड इट लुक्स लाइक यू पुट सम एफर्ट. इट लुक्स लाइक you have a sense of style when you're putting in jewelry that is not just Indian but also very, very sophisticated. So I love that whole look, the Navratna. This is one of the pieces that I will highly, highly recommend. If you have to buy, go and get this one. And this has a lot of back loops, by the way. मैंने वहाँ तक पहना है क्योंकि मुझे लूज है. आपको चाहिए तो आप नीचे करके पहन सकते हैं, आप चोकर की तरह पहन सकते हैं. You can wear it any style that you like. I will get it fitted according to your preference. So this was the live today. I hope you enjoyed and was worth your effort and time. Thank you so much for taking the time out to be with me on a Tuesday midweek live. And I hope you have a fantastic week ahead and you have a great time with your friends and family and loved ones. Take care. Bye bye.